Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can set the image duration in CapCut PC. So if you set image duration manually, so one by one like this, yeah, it takes a long time. You can set at once the image's duration, so just click on menu and then select settings and select edit. And here's image duration. You can set, for example, I'm going to set the 1.0 second for one clip and then click save, and you can add the images. Right, going to select these images. You can see for one clip and um 1 second, and you can see the images in the same lane. Alright, that's how you can set the image duration and CapCut PC at once. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.